So this is basically a short version of another video that I did of the whole cat of this lovely little fluffy white cat that's beside my drawing here. And I'll include the link for that one up top. So we're doing a face here. We're just focusing on the face. Just getting those shapes in. Just getting a feel for that tuft of fur beside the face here. Just really loosely getting the lines in that define this cat's head, basically. And I hope you join our Facebook group. It is called Cat Drawing and Watercolor Art Workshop, and you will find the link in the description of this video. And it's for people that really want to learn how to draw cats. So I'd be happy if you joined us. So just getting that little pocket for the eyes in there. This is the way I find the easiest to do eyes, because this way I get them into the right spot for sure. Get that cute little nose in there. And quick lines for a mouth. I just find mouths are more expressive if I get the lines in there quickly. But everyone's different. We all have our own style. I like that little line that kind of suggests a touch bit of an open mouth. Gives the cat that kind of quizzical look. I'm finding the spot where the eye is, for the outer corner of the eye here. I'm really careful about the lines I add around the muzzle, because basically I want to get the shape of the muzzle when I draw that oval for the muzzle in, but I don't want the muzzle to stand out a whole lot. So just some suggesting lines. Just shaping those eyes a little bit. And after I did this drawing, I thought maybe I did a bit too much shaping, because I would have rather had it just more suggestive, more impressionistic. But that's the beauty of doing lots of drawings, because you learn so much and you carry the learning from each drawing forward to the next. There's many different ways I could have done the eyes and nose. For example, the nose on this cat, my drawn cat, is probably just about as wide across as the eyes are, but the cat in the photo kind of has a more petite nose. But that's okay. It's all part of style. If I wanted to, I could make it look more like that cat. It all depends on what you want to do with your art. I know one thing I don't like doing is getting too hung up on making things perfect. It just spoils the process. It needs to be enjoyable. It needs to be expressive. It's like your signature. Your signature is yours alone, and so is your drawing. It's not a carbon copy of what you're looking at. And the best drawings look drawn. They really do. They show a piece of the artist's soul. And this artist's soul has a big soft spot for cats. There's lots of different ways you could do those highlights too. Sometimes I just scribble in the filling for the eye and just allow the highlight to happen. These ones I planned more, and usually I like it better if I don't plan it so much. You can make your highlights specific shapes for expression. There's all kinds of things you can do. Just play with it. I would recommend practicing a lot of cat eyes and just playing with the different shapes of the lines around the eyes, the different angles, the different slants, and different shapes of the highlights too. I like those ears to be a nice swoop. So when I'm drawing one ear, I'm thinking about the other one too. So the ears are basically one unit, connected kind of. So they unify the drawing, and they just flow right up from the cheeks, as you can see. Just a bit of a suggestion of hair in the ears. So don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And find the link to our Facebook group in the description.